Hello, ako pala si Madam P at ito ang reading natin para sa mga Libra. Welcome sa ating reading, sa ating channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, subscribe na lang guys. Sa mga di pa nakapag-comment, mag-comment naman kayo guys. Kahit po heart lang, smiley, tuldok, okay lang yun sa akin. Anyway, if you want to book a personal reading, Madam P. Pero guys, yung mga willing to wait kasi medyo marami tayong naka-line up ngayon. So, Madam P, doon yun sa aming Facebook page. Okay. And kung gusto mo maka-avail ng mga product na available sa amin, Unipree, we do have this. Katulad ng ganito doon. What we have here for the sign of Libra. Medyo bumubulong lang ako guys. Nilalapit ko na lang yung boses ko sa cellphone para medyo maintindihan mo. Kasi medyo madaling araw na po dito sa amin and wala akong microphone. Ito lang yung meron ako. So, yeah. Try lang natin na lakasan ng konti. So, this is for the sign of Libra, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Main energy, Nine of Wands. What's with the Nine of Wands? Anyway, you do have your King of Pentacles. Iba sa inyo, meron ka mga challenges na ang nafe-feel ko is unti-unti mo siyang nakakayanan or nalalagpasan. With the King of Pentacles energy, you could be someone na parang nandito ka na sa mataas ka na part, nagawa mong maging maganda ang tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao, maybe regarding sa yung career, maybe marami ka rin pinagdaanan with the Nine of Wands, pero nagawa mong makaget through doon sa mga pinagdaanan mo na yon, kaya medyo tumaas ang tingin sa'yo ng ibang tao. Yung iba sa inyo, from mababa, bigla kang umangat, ganun. Ituloy mo lang with the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Some of you, I get this feeling na yung iba sa inyo na may hinihintay mo magkaroon ka ng anak. You're waiting for this blessing for you. Yan. I feel like kailangan mo magstay you need rest if you want that. You need rest, you need to stay at home, relax. Okay? I get it. Gusto mong gumalaw with the Knight of Swords dito, kung saan mo gustong pumunta, mag-travel, etc. Or maybe mag-work. But the advice for you is kung yun yung gusto mong mangyari, stay at home, relax, tanggalin mo na yung stress. Because magiging possible siya kung tutulungan mo din, of course, yung sarili mo. Okay? But I can see high chance naman. It's just that, of course, kailangan mo pa rin munang alagaan yung sarili mo bago maging possible ito. So, pagdating sa love, sino yung person na kakonect ni Libra? By the way, nakakita ko ng dog or aso. This could be a reading. Ace of Cups, Knight of Swords. Oh, this person really do loves you. Oh, may pasugod tayong person na nakikita dito. Knight of Wands at saka Knight of Swords. And you see that both of this, parehong may mga horses, pareho silang pasugod. And this is fast action. And nakikita natin yung person na to really do loves you so much. So, pwedeng itong person na to, pasugod siya kasi meron siyang gustong i-offer, lalo na with the Four of Wands. This is something stable. Nakita tayo ng person na magte-take ng risk or, will offer you something. I mean, yung iba, proposal na may kinalaman sa marriage. The Two of Pentacles is here. This is like yes or no. So, parang, of course, pag magpo-propose sa'yo, diba? The only answer is yes or no. Walang maybe. So, yung iba, this is a proposal of marriage. Yung iba naman, this person really do loves you and magte-take siya ng risk. I can see pagta-travel mula dito sa person na to. So, there's a new journey sa inyong dalawa and mas nakikita natin na ang looking forward yung person na to na yung journey na yun will be something stable or pangmatagalan. Ano emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? You go over the Nine of Swords. The Empress. Clarify natin yung Nine of Swords. Why is the Nine of Swords here? The Four of Swords. Okay. Kunin na rin natin yung sa side niya. Nalaglag. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, ha. Okay, I'm back. Natawa kasi ako kanina gawa ng na-stress ka or nasasaktan ka because you feel like parang wala namang ginagawa tong person na to. Parang wala siyang pakialam. Four of Swords, you feel like ito siya, oh. Ayan. So, you feel like yung person is walang ginagawa dito sa connection na to whatsoever. Walang siya natutulog. Ayan. And, kaya ka na-stress. With the Nine of Swords. Di ba na-stress, pero parang nakakainis. Yan nalobat na yung aking, ginagamit na ring light. Tsaka electric fan. Gusto ko tong gamitin kasi mahina lang siya. Hindi maingay. Anyway, habang charge ko, ayun na nga. Nakikita natin na na parang ikaw ay naiinis dito sa person na to kasi wala naman siyang actions na ginagawa. Tapos, parang baliwala ka lang sa kanya, parang ganun. Pero that is far from reality. Yung iba sa inyo, the Empress, so nakikita natin, minamahal mo lang sarili mo, focus ka lang sa sarili mo kasi why not, 'di ba? Way mo na rin ito para wag masyadong isipin itong person na to. You know, love yourself. Yun yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Well, sabi ko nga sa inyo itong person na to, lalo na kung may pagkakalayo sa inyo, like pwedeng physical distance, ayan o. Can you see this man? Yung lalaki dito nakatingin siya sa aeroplano. So, this person wants to travel. Gusto niya mag-travel to see you, to meet you in person. Tapos mag-offer ng something sa'yo. Page of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles, sorry. And the Page of Swords is your Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. So, yung emotion niya para sa'yo is nakatago siya. Ang nandito sa picture is a man na parang nakasuot siya ng costume. A rabbit costume. And ano ba yung costume? Di ba ang silbi ng costume is para hindi makita yung tao sa loob at saka iba yung nire-represent niya. So, this is what I see here. Hindi siya open pagdating sa emotions niya sa'yo. Iba yung pinapakita niya sa kung ano yung totoo sa kanya. And then, also, yung nagpapapansin sa akin is the rabbit costume, which is, rabbits, hindi talaga sila maingay eh. Parang hindi nga ako nakakarinig ng sounds ng rabbits. And that's what I feel dito sa connection ninyo na person na to. There's silence. Or pwedeng itong person na to is hindi siya ganun ka-communicative. Kasi hindi naman niya din alam kung paano sasabihin. So, ipapakita na lang niya. So, kaya yung person na to is nakikita natin yung kagustuhan niya lumapit, mag-travel to see you in person, and the Ten of Cups is here. This is marriage. This is partnership, love. Tapos Justice card. Two of Cups. Wow. Proportion. ano talaga 'to, eh, lumalabas siya as a ano tawag dun, pag-aalok ng marriage or partnership, relationship. Hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka kamahal at kagusto nitong taong ito. Kasi hindi nga niya masabi sa'yo yun. So, ipapakita na lang niya. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future? In the near future sa inyong dalawa? I like this. The death card is here. This is Scorpio energy. Well, not necessarily death is ending naman. Kasi meron tayong death na, kumbaga, death and rebirth. So, may mga um, ma mag-e-end sa buhay mo. But after that ending, may rebirth. Something will grow or may mabubuo. There's a new beginning. And 10 of Wands, yung iba sa inyo, it could be responsibility. The Strength card is here. So, mas matibay na connection, relasyon ang nakikita natin in the near future sa inyong dalawa. And 3 of Pentacles, this is growth. Growth talaga. Number 3, that's an angel number. In numerology pala, sorry. That represents growth. 8 of Wands, tsaka 7 of Cups. Huwag kang mag-worry sa kung ano sasabihin ng iba, especially ng family mo. That's your life. Kung anong gusto mong maging buhay mo, just go with it. Diba? To follow na lang yung support nila once na okay ka na. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.